Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best garment bag in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a garment bag that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these garment bags, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Don't come up missing, don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position, I just hold out to the perfect condition. Coming alive, heated or not, now is the time. Don't try to hide, cause I'm gonna hold you like an animal. I know you thought it was over, I know you thought it was finished. I know you think I'm a cynic, but you know this shit only business. People act different as soon as you win it, man, I know this shit ain't no different. You pull up in cars, you act like it's yours, but we know that shit is just rented. Benefited it, now we the ones that you...
Briggs & Riley's patented outsider handle system is truly iconic. This incredibly strong handle is on the outside of the bag, giving you more capacity and a wrinkle-free flat packing surface inside. You can pack directly from your dresser drawer right into your bag.